Welcome back to Corby Q. I am Corby. I appreciate you stopping by today. Today we are doing another burger. It's not a traditional burger, but I guess it's like a seasonal burger. It is for my guys over at EA Madden NFL 19. Today we are doing the Turducken Madden Nano Blitz Burger. And this is for my guys over at EA, Kralo, Gibbs, Mutt Guru, or the Goo, and the man of the people, Z Farrells. It's a football themed burger, and it goes like, Red 31, set, hey, Omaha, Omaha. Let's get this rolling.
Just don't let it go, 'cause it ain't no getting off till we get there.
We are almost halfway through November, and that means a couple things. One, I am in the process of the No Shave November for Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. I am growing out the facial hair. And second, we are a little over halfway through the NFL season. And the latter, when I think of football, I think of John Madden. And when I think of John Madden, I think about Brett Favre and Turducken. Or Brett Favre carrying a Turducken. This may be my Corby Q hoodie, but I also have a gaming channel over on Twitch. Twitch.tv/CorbyLove, cheap pop. And I play video games with my friends. I am not the greatest. I just like to play with my friends and try to be entertaining. Well, I've been playing a lot of Madden NFL 19 lately, and the guys over at EA Madden NFL over on their channel, go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description. You know, they've hosted me a handful of times. Not a big deal. They call me Electric. Not a big deal. So that's where the inspiration for this Turducken Burger comes from. I was having a conversation with one of my buddies, Whapaa. When they hosted me, I told them I'd make a burger for them. So that's where this came from. And we're going to try to keep it a football-themed burger. So let me show you what we got. This is the 3 proteins we're going to use. I got some ground turkey, some ground chicken, and some ground duck. Got it from my local meat monger. Kept a lot of the fat in it because these meats are really, really lean. So I wanted to get as much, fat in there so it wouldn't be dry. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to get these all mixed up. I'm going to start with the chicken. We'll throw in the turkey, and we will add in this duck. Now for the seasonings, what we got here is I got a little blend of some spices that go really good with poultry. Really Thanksgiving turducken style of seasonings. It's got some oregano, basil, thyme, salt, pepper, chili powder. I'll have the entire description of the seasonings in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in here. I'm going to give this a good mix. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to patty it up into 3 half-pound patties. And I am going to stick them in the refrigerator, and I am going to let them meld together. Now I do want to point out that I added a little less than about a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs to the meat mixture. It was still a little too wet for my taste. I didn't want to risk the turducken burgers falling apart when I cooked them. So I got a cast iron pan here going on the stove, and I got about a tablespoon of bacon grease heating up in the pan that we are going to fry this burger in. I got 3 half-pound patties out of that. I'm going to cook one of them right now. I'm going to save the other ones for my kids. Let's get this in the pan. Oh yeah. Now how do you know if the pan's hot enough to start? You get a little shimmering from the oil, from the grease, and it'll start to smoke just a touch. When it just starts to smoke, you're ready for your burger to go on. It's been about 3.5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and give this patty a flip. Ooh, that's a nice crust. Now, unlike beef, we can't cook this to desired doneness like medium or medium rare or anything like that. Because it's poultry and I don't want to get anybody sick, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cook this to about 170 degrees internal before I put the cheese on and let it melt. So I just probed the patty. It's 165 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the cheese. All we Madden players know about the cheese. I got 2 slices of hot pepper Johnson cheese. I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to let the carryover cooking get it to the rest of the temperature, 170 degrees internal. Then we're going to make this burger and we're going to eat it. Patty is done. Let's get this burger built. We're going to start off with an onion roll. Now this is a pretty big bun. Pro tip, if you don't have the desired patty to bun ratio, what you do is you go ahead and just take out a little bit of the bread on the inside of the top bun. You won't miss it. You won't have too much bread in your mouth when you're getting ready to chomp on this delicious burger. So let's get this going. We got the bottom bun here. It's going to be our vessel. We're going to go for a lot of football puns if we can. So here is the turducken patty with our hot pepper Johnson cheese. We're gonna throw on a pigskin blanket. Yeah. I got some chipotle pickle chips here. These are like, I don't know, my penalty flags of fire. Let's go with that. I'm gonna get 4 of them on there. Next up on the top bun, we are gonna put some Dijon mustard. So let's get some of that on there. And we will crown it. And this right here, this lovely burger of goodness with the cheese, the bacon, the pickle, the mustard. This is the EA Madden Nano Blitz Burger. So, there you go. Ooh, okay. We are going to attempt to bite this. So, we're going to assume the position. We're going to get in the hunch. We're going to throw our elbows off to ward off the predators. And we're going to take a bite. Here we go. I don't have a napkin. Wow. That is good. Oh my goodness. I was a little worried. Oh. That is a 2-toe tapping, high point grabbing, excessive personal foul for excessive flavor. Oh my God, that's so good. I want another bite. Wow. That was good. That is so good. Hand clap. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. EA Madden NFL 19. Thank you to the guys over there. Gibbs, Kralo, Mutt Guru, and Z Farrells. Thank you for all the support. I love you guys. And remember, it doesn't matter if you're frying it, smoking it, baking it, or turduckening it. Keep doing what you do. Take care.